Is it time to buy or sell Alibaba stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Alibaba. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 3rd of October, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since August 28, 2024, our system has identified Alibaba as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.57. Now let us examine the stock's performance during this period. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 41.72% since we first categorized Alibaba as a buy candidate 26 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.60% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper section of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This situation typically presents an excellent opportunity for short-term traders, as a pullback toward the lower section of the trend is likely. A breakthrough at the upper trend line at 115.66 would initially signal a stronger upward momentum. Analyzing the 3-month trend, it suggests a potential change of approximately 28.68% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between 1.27% and 31.89%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of about 6.84% over the next year. The potential returns could vary from negative 31.59% to 9.15%. This implies a price range between 77.20 and 123.16 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Alibaba highlights: Alibaba stock upgraded to buy candidate. The price of Alibaba stock experienced a decline of 2.09% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 3rd of October, 2024. The stock fell from $115.25 to $112.84. During that trading session, the stock fluctuated by 3.13%, ranging from a low of $110.63 to a high of $114.09. Notably, the price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days, showing a rise of 27.52% over the past 2 weeks. Moreover, trading volume decreased on the last day in tandem with the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume should align with price movements. On that day, trading volume fell by 23 million shares, with a total of 29 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $3.29 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $116.57, while the lowest was $66.64. Currently, the price sits 3.20%, or $3.73, below the 52-week high, and 64.66%, or $206.48, below the all-time high reached on the 27th of October, 2020, when the price peaked at $319.32. Recent trading in the Chinese stock market has shown mixed results, with the Nasdaq Golden Dragon China Index declining by 2.37%. Despite this, increased investments from notable figures such as Michael Burry, who has allocated a significant portion of his firm's portfolio to Chinese stocks, including Alibaba, suggest a potential bullish sentiment surrounding these investments. Analyst optimism is also on the rise, with predictions from Morgan Stanley indicating that additional spending measures from the Chinese government could drive stock performance up by 10 to 15%. This optimism is reflected in reports of foreign investors reallocating capital into Chinese stocks, anticipating positive returns due to favorable policies. Although Alibaba previously experienced a notable increase of 2.23% in value, recent downturns, including a 1.5% dip in the Hang Seng Index, could place pressure on its stock price in the short term. However, long-term perspectives remain constructive, as analysts expect domestic consumer confidence to improve alongside stimulus efforts, benefiting Alibaba's core business segments, particularly the growing intelligence cloud division. While the current climate suggests a speculative nature surrounding these investments, the overall outlook for Alibaba remains cautiously optimistic, relying on continued policy support and the recovery of investor sentiment in the Chinese markets. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned BABA a buy rating alongside a hold action. On Friday, the 23rd of August, 2024, Goldman Sachs also rated BABA as a buy with a hold action. On the same day, Morgan Stanley issued an equal weight rating for BABA, accompanied by a hold action. On Monday, the 19th of August, 2024, Loop Capital Markets rated BABA as underperform, again with a hold action. On that same day, Susquehanna gave BABA a market perform rating, also with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Alibaba stock an overall neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Alibaba. The Alibaba stock shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is present, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of price corrections, support can be expected at $107.83 and $88.77. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been observed, which may affect short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 2nd of October, 2024, resulting in a decline of 2.09% thus far. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. It is worth noting that volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which helps to mitigate overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 2 days ago. The Bollinger Bands provided a buy signal 7 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average has presented a buy signal 50 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 58 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 19 days ago. The long-term moving average also provided a buy signal 50 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 48 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Alibaba. Alibaba is currently receiving support from accumulated volume at $107.33. This level may present a potential buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. It is important to note that this stock can exhibit significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. In the previous day, the stock experienced a movement of $3.46 between its highest and lowest points, which represents a change of 3.13%. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 4.5%. Before we dive into the possible advantageous trading levels for Alibaba, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This ratio is considered relatively typical, often seen in businesses with established histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 21st of November, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.24. It is crucial to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Alibaba. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Alibaba is at $115.25. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration point for swing trading. On the downside, Alibaba faces its first support level at $107.33. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $108.20, reflecting a decrease of 4.11%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which introduces significant risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 84, further amplifying this risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Alibaba stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that there may be a buying opportunity at the current level. There is a fair chance for Alibaba stock to perform well in the near future. As a result, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold or accumulate to a buy candidate. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 4th of October, we anticipate Alibaba will open lower by approximately 32 cents and commence trading at $112.52. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.